Put a garlic clove in your mouth for 30 minutes. You will see the results. Garlic contains potent medicinal properties, and most of the effects it brings to health are due to one of the sulfur compounds that forms when garlic is pricked, crushed or chewed, called allicin. Allicin enters the body through the digestive system and from there travels throughout the body affecting its effects. Because of this, it is not surprising that in China they use an ancient remedy that consists of putting a clove of garlic in the mouth for 30 minutes first thing in the morning. Since ancient times, garlic has been used to treat a range of heart and blood-related diseases and conditions, such as high blood pressure, cholesterol, coronary heart disease, heart attack, or atherosclerosis. Garlic is also excellent for the digestive system and is used to treat acidity or to remove harmful bacteria from the intestines. Garlic is also used as a preventive for different types of cancer, such as breast cancer, prostate cancer and lung cancer, as several studies suggest a relationship between the consumption of garlic and reducing the risk of cancer. The consumption of garlic is one of the best ways to prevent and treat many diseases, and to take advantage of all its nutrients and properties it is best to consume it raw. For this you can use this remedy that has really amazing effects. 1. Each morning in the first hour put a clove of garlic in your mouth for 30 minutes and chew. This will cause the garlic substances to reach the blood and clean the blood vessels. Likewise, garlic also helps oral health as it is a potent bactericide. 2. After spending 30 minutes, you should spit the garlic and brush your teeth. Chew some parsley or some coffee beans to eliminate the taste. 3. Among the effects and health benefits of this remedy are found to strengthen the immune system, cleanse the blood, help treat bronchitis and chronic cough, help fight anemia, protect against flu and other diseases of the pathways respiratory, promotes the health of the kidneys, as well as can help eliminate kidney stones, among others. Try this remedy to treat some of the ailments and diseases, or as a method of prevention.